Did you know some people in Bolivia keep a human skull on a shelf at home, right next to the TV? In La Paz, thousands of families own a ñatita. That's a real human skull they treat like a member of the household. It gets a name. It gets a hat, sunglasses, maybe a cigarette. It gets flowers on the good days and a stern conversation on the bad ones. Nobody really knows where most of these skulls came from. Some were bought. Some were found. Some got passed down through the family like a piece of furniture. The relationship is basically a deal. You take care of the skull takes care of you. Once a year, on November 8th, families carry their ñatitas to the main cemetery in La Paz, and a Catholic priest blesses every single one of them. A whole room full of decorated skulls and a priest standing there doing his job like it's completely normal. Because to everyone in that room, it is. This is the part where the rest of us have to catch up.